So guys, we are making the best ultimate bean salad. I have got some black beans. This is about 3 cups of beans. Just boil these or use the canned ones. And then I have got about 3 cups of beans, as I said, 3 cups of veggies. I have colored peppers, I have onion, I have this corn which was frozen but I have thawed. So any vegetables of your choice, but I have tried with these and I make this on repeat. So I'm going to just dump all this 3 cups of beans and 3 cups of veggies. It has onion, pepper and corn, right? Corn kernels which are at room temperature. So we are going to mix these. Before that, here comes the magic. How do you do it? I'm using olive oil and a good amount, let's say about half cup of olive oil will go into this. Okay, do not compromise on cheap olive oil or less olive oil. You need olive oil. And then I'm using this balsamic vinegar, and this also again is going to be about half cup. Okay, so these are few things we do not want to compromise. You can use wine vinegar as well, that works great. Then I'm going to give it about a spoon of cayenne pepper or any chili pepper you like. Make sure you adjust as per your taste. And then I'm adding just a dash of chili sauce, not much. I'm going to add black pepper. Black pepper, about a tablespoon of black pepper. And then also goes in it is sugar, 2 tablespoons. Here goes my sugar. Salt per taste, I'm adding about a teaspoon, and 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, very important. And then I'm using juice of 1 lime and 1 lemon, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and lime juice mixed. Then optional thing which I have tried with and without is garlic clove minced, just 1 garlic clove, and a lot of cilantro, about half cup finely chopped. And that's it. We just bring it together and our great wonderful bean salad will be ready, which will be over in no time. Even if you are able to make more and you know it, you cannot finish the next day, it tastes even better. So this is our amazing recipe which goes on repeat in our house. Wanted to share with you guys. Make it this way and you will be making it again and again. So the pro tip is really no saving on olive oil or vinegar, and use all the ingredients that I showed you and make it the way I showed you. You will be making it on repeat. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed, and like and share the video. Thank you guys. This is our Mexican bean salad. Yum yum.